Automatic ice systems will work with you to determine your unique system requirements and be there through every phase of project management. Typically, the beginning steps include determining your operational goals, developing a comprehensive project budget, and solidifying building and property requirements. Then we'll develop and provide your complete system engineering package. Our proven solutions are engineered for faster, easier installs. Every detail is considered during the engineering process. When your facility is fully prepared for the equipment install, your AIS project manager will coordinate the delivery of the equipment components and installation. Our install team can typically install all processing and packaging equipment for a high-capacity system in only 6 to 7 days. After the installation is complete, our system technicians will optimize your system and properly train your staff to ensure productive operations. Our factory-certified technical staff make sure that you get the proper parts and accurate technical assistance to make repairs quickly and accurately. Plus, we stock one of the industry's largest and most complete inventories of parts. Automatic Ice Systems is focused on privately owned and operated ice producers. For over 40 years, AIS has brought higher customer service and individualized support to clients worldwide. We have our customers' interests in mind, and we respect their need for confidentiality. AIS is here to help our clients get better at what they do best. If you would like to learn more about what Automatic Ice Systems team can do for you, please visit automaticice.com or contact a sales representative.